Imagine the chaos of a New York trading floor in 2015, screens blinking fast, traders shouting over each other as billions exchange hands in mere seconds. Lien takes you behind these scenes where the biggest players spin strategies nobody else sees. But here's the twist. What if you, a retail trader with just a laptop, could learn their secret moves and actually win? That's the open door we're walking through, how to play the currency market like the pros. Let's start at the heart, the interbank Forex market where trillions flow daily. Most traders never get a front row seat here, but you can if you know how to decode its signals. Lien takes us inside HSBC's London desk, where traders watch interest rate rumors like hawks. When the European Central Bank hinted at a rate cut in 2014, HSBC's flows shifted billions overnight, impacting EUR/USD at lightning speed. These moves aren't random, they're strategic plays, invisible to most retail traders but crystal clear to insiders. Think of the interbank market like a giant, invisible river beneath the Forex market's surface. Major banks pump massive liquidity, creating currents that sweep currency prices downstream. By tracking these flows, you're essentially reading the river's force, not just its surface ripples. It's like spotting the real current before the canoe tips. By learning the interbank flow strategies, you're not copying, you're adapting. Kathy breaks down how to spot big players' footprints using public data and volume patterns. The payoff? You can ride the same waves they create and turn what once felt like guessing a dartboard into precision trading, your profits reflecting the insider's moves. Now we jump to swing trading, holding positions from days to weeks. It's chess, not checkers. You're not chasing every tick but catching meaningful market moves that can multiply your capital. Cassie recounts a trader named Paul who used a classic double top pattern on GBP/USD in 2013. After spotting the second peak failing to break higher, Paul timed his entry perfectly, closing a trade with a 150 pip gain in just a week. This isn't luck. It's pattern recognition sharpening your profit lens. Picture technical indicators like weather forecasts for your trade. RSI and MACD act like barometers telling you if the market's overbought or oversold, meaning likely to turn. Kathy likens it to surfing. You don't paddle endlessly, you wait for the right wave shaped by these signals. Kathy stresses syncing your trades with news calendars, for example, the U.S. non-farm payroll report which routinely jolts USD pairs. The transformation here is powerful. Instead of fearful speculation, you gain an edge by predicting event-driven volatility, using it as fuel rather than chaos. Technical stuff's great, but Forex is a living beast. It breathes through fundamentals and trader sentiment. This combo is where Kathy's experience shines, showing how to decode these invisible forces. Lien dives into the US-China trade tensions of 2018, a perfect storm fueled by interest rate differentials. As the Fed raised rates steadily while China's economy slowed, the US dollar strengthened. Traders who understood this spread and positioned accordingly turned months of volatility into gains, riding the fundamental tide beneath the charts. Market sentiment is like crowd psychology at a massive party. When everyone's anxious, volatility spikes. When calm, trends build quietly. Kathy teaches ways to measure this mood using the Commitment of Traders report, a powerful mirror into institutional positioning, letting you anticipate sudden shifts before they happen. One standout example is the surprise 2015 Swiss National Bank decision to drop the franc peg. It sent shockwaves, currencies moved double-digit percentages in minutes. Traders armed with fundamental awareness avoided disaster and even profited. Kathy shows how this and other events serve as signals, not random noise, guiding savvy traders. Back on the frantic New York floor, you now see the rhythms behind the chaos. Kathy Lien's insights turn market noise into a language you can understand and trade confidently. So here's a quick win. Start tracking interbank flows on a few pairs and watch how price reacts before jumping in. It's not magic, it's watching the big whales swim before you dive in yourself. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.